Here is a 30-inch Casablanca Wailea ceiling fan in brushed nickel. I just picked this up today at the Restore, and it came 97% complete. It's only missing the 2 pull chain pendants and the switch cap plug. Overall, it's in pretty good shape. I mean, the only thing that's scratched is the switch cap, and there is one little gash on one of the blades, which is right there. But it's a pretty cool fan. I like this finish a lot. I especially like the blades. It has that finish on them, and that one up there. And yeah, it's a pretty cool little fan. I'll show you the tag up here. Not sure what date it came from, so one of you guys have to tell me that. Made in Taiwan. There's the hang true. It's in pretty good shape though, other than the switch cap. Anyway, I'll fire it up for you. Here's low speed. Throws out a pretty good breeze, so I'm impressed with it. Sorry about the footsteps, there's people upstairs. And I just have it hang on a J-hook, so if it wobbles, it's not really the fan, it's the mounting that I did. It's pretty good. There's medium. Came on this long chain, so I'm guessing it was like in a high bathroom or something. Definitely wasn't outside since it has the wood blades on it. There's a reverse chain. It's really quiet too. For a spinner motor Casablanca, it's a good fan. It's really moving some air for a small fan. And I guess I'm going to reverse it since it has the chain. This is my first fan that has a reverse chain, so that's pretty cool. And I'm feeling the air over here too, right down the wall, so it's really doing its job well. I'll shut it off. Oh. Sorry, the pull chain sequence gets confusing since it starts off low, medium, high. But I'm definitely going to try to install this somewhere. It's such a cool fan, I really want to put it up somewhere. Possibly the laundry room, but I'm not too sure. That's about it though. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video.